Hey there, I'm Steve. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create some awesome gears in Blender and 2 cool ways to animate them. Let's dive in. First things first, let's make sure we have everything we need. Enable the Extra Objects add-on in Blender Preferences. Press Shift-A and create a new gear. You can change the features of the gear by changing these values. Set the gear teeth to 24 and radius to 1. I also reduced the addendum value a bit. You can also change the base size here. Create another gear with 12 teeth and radius 0.5. Place it next to the first gear. Create the last gear with 48 teeth and radius 2. Place it close to the middle one. Alright, let's organize these gears into a new collection. Select the gears, press M, and create a new collection. Give it a name to keep things tidy. I've also added 2 more gears and tweaked them a bit. Feel free to play around with the attributes and create your own unique gears. I'll show you how to animate them with constraints. For now, I'll put them in another collection and disable it. Back to our main gears. Notice the gap in your gear models? To fix that, select these edges with Alt-right-click, then hit Ctrl-E and bridge edge loops. You can scale this by pressing S and then Shift-Z. Let's fix this for the other gears too. Now let's animate them with drivers. Press N, right-click on Z rotation, and add a driver. In the Drivers window, select this rotation. Go to the Drivers tab and set the expression. Use the eyedropper to select the middle gear. Set the type to Z rotation. Click on Update Dependencies. Repeat the process for the biggest gear, but change the expression. Now rotate the middle gear and watch the others respond. Now let's try another animation method. Select one of the gears and head to the Constraints tab. Add a copy rotation constraint and use the eyedropper icon to select the other gear. For the axis, choose only the Z. See how they rotate together? To fine-tune, select the Z option for invert. You can also adjust the influence to prevent the gears from intersecting. And there you have it, you've successfully animated your gears. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, smash that like button and subscribe for more cool Blender tips. Stay creative and keep blending. Catch you in the next video.